It's the time again for a package from China. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. And in today's video I'm back with my buddy.
Wild Child!
But yeah, we have another multi-game card, the 101. They keep releasing this 101 and 100. But now is the question, why did you buy it? I really love the shell, by the way. The screen.
Because it's shiny. Look at this. It shines.
That is really cool. They did something unique with the label.
And it has, again, battery safe, a nice green transparent cartridge with a nice back sticker on it. And it got some very, very good 101 games.
Alright.
With a lot of great titles.
You say that they're good? Let's try them out because I'm now very curious. Alright people, they did a new menu. They made a new menu for this. I never seen the one before. It's not a basic green menu.
It's,
like, all
it
the
looks
other modes.
very professional.
Biometal, Biker Mice from Mars, really awesome game. Let's see the next page.
Bomberman.
Castlevania's are
Ooh,
on it.
Castlevania DX Deluxe. There's some homebrew version.
So
Earthbound. Nice. Earthbound
Gym
Gym, the
2.
final fight.
Final Fights are on this one.
Evo. Nice. Very expensive card.
Weird. You have Final Fight 1, 3, but there's no 2. Or a Guy edition, whatever. So that is new. Goof Troop, very good game.
Gradius 3, also a very nice shmup.
Hyperzone.
Illusion, nice. Jurassic Park. Killer, Keyrain, never heard of it. Lost Vikings, nice. Lion King. Magical Quest of Disney. Mega Man, nice.
Combats are on this one.
Yeah.
That's unique. Don't see the game often on a multi-game card. Ogre Battle, Pack Attack.
Pac-Man, R-Type, Prince of Persia, the original one. Street Fighter 2, also Secret of Mana, Sunset Riders. Yeah, indeed, it got a lot of good games on it. Oh, yeah, Turtles 4, Universal Soldier, and the Wild Guns, Wild Snake. The X-Men, Zelda, Zombies Eat My Neighbors probably. Nice.
And let's play Bust a Move. From all the save games, we're going to play Bust a Move.
Oh, and by the way, Castlevania DX is Dracula X, so it's not a homebrew game. This is so a funny game.
Why do I get the freaking green one?
Wrong. Cyberspin from Takara. Japan. Okay, it's a race game. Formula 1 game, apparently.
More like karting.
Or karting, yeah.
Or
Let's go. Whoa, this goes really fast. Go to the left.
Wow.
Yeah, this looks like fun. Never heard of this game. Final Fight 3. Let's go, let's kick some ass. This game looks so smooth and fast. Really nice SNES game.
Tell him, boy. Got a bitch slap you. Oh, this intro is so freaking epic.
Yeah.
And this only sounds amazing on the Super Nintendo.
The Genesis not so?
No, this is really that rapping funky music, and On the Sega Genesis, it sounds like crap.
Oh, that's a shame.
And I'm more a Sega fan, but this game just sounds better on the Super Nintendo.
Yeah,
Alright.
the SNES version has a better sound chip.
So yeah, really awesome. Wanted to show you the intro.
It's so funny.
Alright, for the final conclusion. It got some good games, a lot of good games, got save function.
Nice menu.
Really cool card for your collection.
And it also says from the title where you'll have left.
Yeah, so some of these cartridges have this indeed that you can, it remembers the position where your last were.
So yeah, then you can play the game really fast.
Yeah, people, let me know what you think of this. Would you buying, there's again 101 series, so it's another,
Yeah, but it's got some different games than the previous one.
So yeah, I really love the collection. It's really nice. Let me know what you think. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell and see you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye.